Hello, this is Ria and you're watching The News Point. In a landmark moment for India's defense capabilities, Operation Sindoor has emerged as the nation's first AI-enabled military campaign. The Indian Army, leveraging artificial intelligence at scale, has redefined how modern conflict is waged, shortening decision loops, fusing data, and enabling pinpoint precision. Today, we break down how this bold fusion of human judgment and cutting-edge technology played out. On 7 to 10 May 2025, India launched Operation Sindoor in response to a terror strike in Pahalgam. What stands out is not merely the swift response, but how the response was orchestrated with AI deeply integrated across intelligence, targeting, and strike execution. During Operation Sindoor, the Army employed artificial intelligence not as a replacement for commanders, but as a decision accelerant. A senior officer revealed that AI systems were fed with 26 years' worth of historical data on adversary troop movements. From this, predictive models helped pinpoint likely locations of enemy assets. The result: 94% accuracy in identifying which units or weapon systems would be where, translating into strike coordinates with high confidence. But crucially, the human remained in the loop. Decision authority still rested with commanders. The AI augmented situational awareness, it did not supplant judgment. The backbone of the operation was a suite of 23 integrated software applications, each serving a specialized function from real-time surveillance to post-strike assessment. Key systems included Electronic Intelligence Collation and Analysis System, aggregated signals intelligence across sensors to prioritize critical threats in real time. Trinetra, integrated with Project Sanjay, constructed a common operational picture, a unified battlefield view, enabling coordination across formations. Predictive modeling and weather forecasting tools, critical for extended range artillery. Accurate 48-hour weather prediction, including wind data, allowed precise calibration of shots. On the infrastructure side, the Army's digital backbone saw massive scaling. User base expanded by 1200%, data storage capacity jumped by 620%. The force is working towards a military-specific large language model expected to come online within 6 months to support next-generation command and control workflows. Now, why deploy AI so heavily in Operation Sindoor? The adversaries on India's western and northern frontiers, Pakistan with reported backing from China, present a dual challenge. India's army leadership sees AI as a force multiplier. It mitigates risk to personnel by shifting dangerous tasks into the digital domain. It accelerates decision cycles, compressing the kill chain, the time from detection to engagement. It enhances jointness, coordination, and situational awareness across units. Moreover, the Army is aligning with India's broader India AI mission, collaborating closely with academia and industry to indigenize AI tools for defense. Yet, this evolution comes with challenges. Data reliability and bias. Historical data may embed errors or adversarial deception. Models must be validated and resilient. Adversarial countermeasures. Opponents may deploy jamming, spoofing, or data poisoning to mislead AI systems. Security and integrity. Cyber attacks on AI infrastructure could compromise the system. Ethical governance and accountability. As machines influence targeting decisions, lines of responsibility must remain clear. Looking ahead, the unified AI platform under development aims to bring together operational, intelligence, logistics, and training applications under one secure framework. AI-enabled autonomous systems such as drones and unmanned vehicles are already in the developmental pipeline. The human-machine balance will remain central. AI is a tool to empower commanders, not replace them. Operation Sindoor marks a paradigm shift. For the first time in a cross-border conflict, India has operationalized AI across full spectrum, from intelligence fusion to strike delivery. The interplay of powerful algorithms and human judgment has compressed timelines and boosted precision. But the real test lies ahead in sustaining, scaling, and safeguarding these capabilities while navigating challenges of cybersecurity, ethics, and trust. If India succeeds, the Army's next-generation battleground may be well defined by code, not just canons. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor how this transformation evolves and what it may mean for the future of warfare. Thank you for watching.